Good day, my name is David Bowen. I am representing the Department of Education. My specific function is education officer responsible for private schools. The workshop has been a very informative one. Many times we do think about one set of disastrous events. Usually we think about our storms, hurricanes, but in truth and in fact, there are a variety of hazards that can affect us in a very detrimental way. Okay, we can have a massive oil spill, we can have massive fires, etc. So one of the things I'm taking away from this is not only to prepare and to have a plan as it relates to one disaster, but to prepare for a plethora of disasters which can affect us. Also, that we're not to take things for granted, because many times even after a disaster we think it's over, but our work has only just begun. We have to look at rebounding immediately after an event. So we must put the necessary things in place even before the possibility of a disaster, so that in the event that it happens, we can rebound quickly and carry on the work that we are expected to do.